Okay, good morning, students. I am N. Srinivasulu Gowdu, lecturer in mathematics, GDC, Kalakurti. Okay, today is discuss about differential equation with exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. What is the exact differential equation? Okay, first, an equation of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m and n are functions of x and y, is said to be exact differential equation if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. This is the exact differential equation. Okay, for example, x square y into dx plus y square plus x into dy equal to 0. Okay, the general solution of this form is obtained as the general solution of equation is obtained as integrating m dx only y constant. Here only x terms mean y constant plus integrating of terms independent of x n dy equal to c. Okay, procedure. The sequence of steps involved in determining as exact differential equation are: step 1. First step is to write the given equation in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay. Second step. Step 2. In this step, the differential equation is tested for exchanges, that is dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Step 3. The final step is to be determine the general solution using the formula integrating m dx only x terms mean y constant, integrating n dy here terms independent of x equal to c. Okay. Next to the method, show that the necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation m dx okay, show that the necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 to be exact is that dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, this theorem is very important and easy, we do carefully. Okay, necessary condition. Let m dx plus n dy equal to 0 be exact differential equation. Be exact. Okay, students. The necessary condition. Let m dx plus n dy equal to 0 be exact differential equation, and f of x comma y equal to c be the general solution of equation 1, where c is an arbitrary constant. Since f is a function of x and y, from partial differential equation, d of differentiation of f of x comma y equal to dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f by dou y into dy. Since equation 1 will be exact if d of f of x comma y equal to m dx plus n dy equal to, okay, therefore m dx plus n dy equal to dou f by dou x into dx plus dou f by dou y into dy. Comparing coefficients on both sides, we get capital M equal to dou f by dou x, capital N is equal to dou f by dou y, equation 2 and equation 3. Partial differentiating equation 2 and 3 with respect to y and x respectively. Okay, m equals to y, dou m by dou y equal to dou square f by dou y dou x, and dou n by dou x equal to dou square f by dou x dou y. Since dou square f by dou y dou x equal to dou square f by dou x dou y. Okay, here you know dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore, which is the required necessary condition? Okay, necessary condition is over. Next to sufficient condition. Necessary condition is over and sufficient condition. Okay. Let dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Then m dx plus n dy equal to 0 must be an exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. Okay. Let p equal to integrating y constant m dx. Then dou p by dou x equal to capital M. Dou p by dou x is equal to capital M. Dou square p by dou y dou x equal to dou m by dou y. Since dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x na, okay, from equation 4, dou n by dou x equal to dou square b by dou x dou y equal to dou by dou x of dou p by dou y. Keeping y as constant, integrating both sides of equation 6, we with respect to x, that is integrating of dou n by dou x equal to into dx equal to integrating of dou by dou x of dou p by dou y into dx. Therefore, n equal to dou p by dou y plus phi of y, where phi of y is some function of y alone. From equation 5th and 7th, m dx plus n dy equal to dou p by dou x into dx plus dou p by dou y plus phi of y into dy equal to dou p by dou x into dx plus dou p by dou y into dy plus phi of y dy is equal to dp plus phi of y dy. Okay, dp plus df of y, since df of y equal to phi of y dy equal to d of p plus f of y. Since m dx plus n dy equal to 0, is implies d of p plus f of y equal to 0. That is m dx plus n dy is an exact differential equation of some function of x and y. Therefore, m dx plus n dy equal to 0 exact differential equation, which is required sufficient condition. Okay, theorem is completed. Okay, this theorem is very important. An exact differential equation necessary condition dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, next we do problems. Solve the first problem. Solve the differential equation e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy equal to 0. E power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy equal to 0. Given differential equation solution. Given differential equation e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy equal to 0 Put equation 1. Equation 1 is of the form comparing m dx plus n dy equal to 0. M dx plus n dy equal to 0. We get m equal to e power y plus 1 into cos x. Put equation 2 and put equation 3. Here m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Put equation 2 and n equal to e power y sin x. Put equation 4. Okay, partially differentiate m with respect to y and n with respect to x. We get dou m by dou m by dou y equal to e power y, okay, cos x, e power y cos x, and dou n by dou x equal to e power x, okay, sin x differentiate is e power y, sin x differentiate is cos x. Okay, therefore put equation 5th and 6th. Okay, dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Equation 1 is an exact differential equation. Why? Because here dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x is there. Therefore, the given equation is exact differential equation. Therefore, the general solution of exact equation is given by the formula integrating of y constant m dx plus integrating of terms independent of x n dy equal to c. N dy equal to c. Okay. Here integrating of e power y plus 1 into cos x dx plus integrating of 0 dy equal to c. Here n is terms independent of x is not there. Therefore, n equal to I will write 0. Dy equal to c. Therefore, integrating of e power y with respect to the x na. Okay, e power y. Okay, plus 1 same as you read, and integrating of cos x mean sin x. Okay, equal to integrating of 0 equal to c. Therefore, the general solution of given differential equation is e power y plus 1 into sin x equal to c. Equal to c. Okay, this goes to our required differential equation of given differential equation. First problem is over. This problem is exact differential equation. Okay, another problem we discuss about. This problem also very important and easy. We do careful. Solve short question. Solve ax plus hy plus g into dx plus hx plus by plus f into dy equal to 0. Okay, the given differential equation solution. The given differential equation is ax plus hy plus g into dx plus hx plus by plus f into dy equal to 0. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form. Equation 1 is the form of comparing m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Put equation 2. Okay, we get m equal to ax plus hy plus g. Put equation 3 and n equal to hx plus by plus f. Put equation 4. Partial differentiate equation 3 with respect to y. Okay, dou m by dou y equal to ax differentiate with respect to y na 0 plus hy h plus g mean 0. Therefore, dou m by dou y equal to h. Put equation 5th. For equation 4th, differentiate partially with respect to x. Okay, we get dou n by dou x equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus h. Hx mean h with respect to x. Therefore, dou n by dou x equal to h. Fifth equation put to sixth. From equation fifth and sixth, we get dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, thus the given differential equation is exact. Thus the given differential is exact differential equation. Therefore, the general solution of an exact differential equation is, therefore the general solution of exact differential equation is given by integrating of m dx y constant plus integrating of n dy terms independent of x dy equal to c. Integrating of y constant ax plus hy plus g into dx plus integrating of by plus f into dy equal to c. Terms independent of x. Okay, I will take common a into integrating of x dx plus hy into integrating g dx plus g into integrating dx plus b into integrating of y dy plus f into integrating of dy equal to c. Okay, a into integrating of x dx is mean x square by 2 plus hy into integrating dx mean x plus g into integrating dx x plus b into integrating y dy mean y square by 2 plus f into integrating of dy mean y equal to c. Okay, therefore I will take LCM of 2 and multiply right side. Okay, ax square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus by square plus 2fy equal to 2c. Therefore, the required general solution is, therefore, the required general solution of given differential equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 2c. Okay, this problem is over. This problem is very important and okay. Okay. Okay, students. For example, the given differential is not exact differential equation. How to solve that problems? Rules for finding integrating factors. We must take integrating factors. Okay, the integrating factors of rules. Rules for finding integrating factors of the equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay, integrating factor found by inspection. In many cases, the integrating factor can be determined by regrouping of terms and recognizing each group as part of an exact differential equation. The important useful differentials are d of xy equal to x dy plus y dx. d of xy equal to x dy plus y dx. Another formula, d of y by x equal to x dy minus y dx by x square. x dy minus y dx by x square. Okay, d of log of differentiate of log of y by x dy minus y dx by xy. Okay, d of x by y. Okay, x dy minus y dx by y square. Next d of tan inverse of y by x, d of tan inverse of y by x equal to x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square, x square plus y square. Next last one is d of 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square, d of log of 1 by log of x square plus y square equal to x dx plus y dy by x square plus y square. Okay. Next second one, integrating factor of a homogeneous equation. Second one, integrating factor of a homogeneous equation. If m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0 represents a homogeneous equation, represents a homogeneous equation and mx plus ny not equal to 0, mx plus ny not equal to 0, then the integrating factor of mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is 1 by mx plus ny, 1 by mx plus ny. The given equation is homogeneous when the integrating factor is if equal to 1 by mx plus ny. Third one, integrating factor of an equation of the type f1 of x comma y into y dx plus f2 of x comma y into x dy equal to 0. Y dx f1 of x comma y plus x dy f2 of x comma y equal to 0. If differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is of the form y into f1 of x comma y dx plus x into f2 of x comma y dy equal to 0 and mx minus ny not equal to 0, mx plus ny not equal to 0, then integrating factor is given as if if mean integrating factor equal to 1 by mx minus ny, mx minus ny. Okay. Next one, fourth one, integrating factor of mdx plus ndy equal to 0, integrating factor of mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Case 1, if 1 by n into dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to f of x, that is function of x, then integrating factor equal to e power integrating of f of x dx. Case 1. Here next case 2, if 1 by m into dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to g of y, that is function of y, then integrating factor if equal to e power integrating of g of y dy, g of y dy, integrating e power integrating g of y dy. Okay. Integrating factor of x power a y power b into my dx plus nx dy plus x power a y power d x power c y power d into py dx plus qx dy equal to 0. Further the equation x power a y power b into my dx plus nx dy plus x power c y power d into py dx plus qx dy equal to 0, where a, b, c, d, m, n, p and q are constants, then x power h y power k is the integrating factor, where h and k are constants, h and k are constants. Okay. First integrating factor is the given differential equation is homogeneous. I will take integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny. 1 by mx plus ny. Okay, students, solve x square by dx minus x cube plus y cube into dy equal to 0. Okay, this question is very important and easy. Okay, we do careful. Given differential equation solution part, x square by dx minus of x cube plus y cube into dy equal to 0. The equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation and of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0, where m equal to x square y, put equation 2, and n equal to minus x cube minus y cube, put equation 3. Dou m by dou y equal to x square y with respect to y x square. Okay, dou n by dou x, put equation 5th, and dou n by dou x is mean dou by dou x of minus x cube minus y cube minus 3x square. Okay, here put equation 6th. Therefore 5th and 6th we get dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Equation 5th and 6th, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, the given differential equation is not exact differential equation. Okay, but given differential equation is homogeneous equation. Okay, I will take the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. 1 by mx plus ny. Okay, 1 by mx plus ny equal to 1 by m into x. M in x square y into x minus of x cube plus y cube into y. Mean 1 by x cube y, 1 by x cube y minus x cube y minus y power 4. Okay, x cube y get cancelled, y power 4 minus 1 by y power 4. Okay, multiply the equation 1 with integrating factor is minus 1 by y power 4 we get. Okay, minus x square y by y power 4 dx plus x cube plus y cube by minus get cancelled by y power 4 dy equal to 0. Okay, continue step. Minus x square by y power 4 get cancelled, minus x square by y cube dx plus x cube by y power 4 plus y cube by y power 4 dy equal to 0. Equation 2 is in the form of equation, above equation is you write star. Okay, star is the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Okay, dou m1 by dou y equal to dou by dou y of minus x square by y cube minus x square, same you write, and 1 by y cube mean minus 3 by y power 4. Therefore minus is into minus plus 3x square by y power 4. Dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of x cube by y power 4 plus y cube by y power 4. Therefore 3x square by y power 4 plus 0. Therefore 3x square by y power 4. Therefore dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore the condition for extension is satisfied. Therefore the general solution is integrating m dx y constant plus integrating n dy terms independent of x equal to c. Therefore, integrating of minus x square by y cube dy dx plus integrating of y cube by y power 4 dy equal to c. Therefore, minus 1 by y cube integrating x square dx plus integrating of 1 by y dy equal to c is implies minus x cube by 3 y cube plus log y equal to c equal to c. Therefore, minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y equal to c is the required general solution of given differential equation. Okay, this problem is over. This problem is over. Next problem. Solve y into x square y square plus 2 into dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into dy equal to 0. Solution. Given differential equation is y into x square y square plus 2 into dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square dy equal to 0. Put equation 1. Equation 1 is the form you comparing m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Put equation 2. We get m equal to y into x square y square plus 2 and 3 equation and n equal to x into 2 minus 2 x square y square. Okay, dou m by dou y equal to 3x square y square plus 2 and dou n by dou x equal to 2 minus 6x square y square. Okay, above equations. Therefore, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Hence, equation 1 is not exact differential equation. Equation 1 is not exact differential equation. Equation 1 is now in the form of y into f1 of x comma y dx plus x into f2 of x comma y dy equal to 0. Hence, the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. 1 by mx minus ny. Okay. Substituting the value of m and n in equation 2. Okay, and if 1 by y into m in x square y square plus 2 into x minus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into y. Therefore, if equal to 1 by, therefore if is equal to 1 by y cube x cube plus 2xy minus 2xy plus 2x cube y cube. Therefore, here minus 2xy plus 2xy get cancelled. Here 1 by 3 x cube y cube. If equal to multiplying equation 1 with integrating factor on both sides. Multiplying equation 1 with integrating factor on both sides. Okay, we get, okay, y into x square y square plus 2 into 1 by 3x cube y cube dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into 1 by 3x cube y cube dy equal to 0. Okay, equal to x square y square plus 2 by 3x cube y square dx plus 2 minus 2x square y square by 3x square y cube dy equal to 0. Put equation 3. Equation 3 is the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Okay, we get m1 equal to x square y square plus 2 by 3x cube y square, and n1 equal to 2 minus 2x square y square by 3x square y cube. Dou m1 by dou y equal to dou m1 by dou y equal to 3x cube y square into 2x square y minus x square by y square plus 2 into 6x cube y by 3x cube y square whole square. Therefore, dou m1 by dou y equal to 6x power 5 y cube minus 6x power 5 y cube minus 12x cube y by 9x power 6 y power 4. Therefore, minus 12x cube y by 9x power 6 y power 4. Therefore, dou m1 by dou y equal to minus 4 by 3x cube y cube. Okay, dou m1 by dou y equal to minus 4 by 3x cube y cube. Same as dou n1 by dou x, we find same, you write 3x square y cube minus 4xy minus 2 minus 2x square y square into 6x y cube by 3x square y cube whole square equal to minus 12 x cube y power 5 minus 12x y cube plus 12 x cube y power 5 by 9x power 4 y power 6 equal to minus 12 x y cube by 9 x power 4 y power 6. Therefore, dou m1 by dou x equal to minus 4 by 3x cube y cube. Therefore, above equations we get dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n1 by dou x. Dou m1 by dou x dou y equal to dou n1 by. Okay, equation 3 is an exact differential equation. Okay, therefore the general solution is integrating m1 dx y constant plus integrating n1 dy terms independent of x equal to c. Integrating of x square y square plus 2 by 3x cube y square dx minus integrating of 2 by 3y dy equal to c is implies to integrating of 1 by 3x dx plus integrating of 2 by 3x cube y square dx minus integrating of 2 by 3y dy equal to c is implies 1 by 3 integrating of dx by x plus 2 by 3y square integrating of dx by x cube minus 2 by 3 integrating of dy by y equal to c. Okay, 1 by 3 integrating of dx by x mean log x plus 2 by 3y square integrating of dx by x cube mean x power minus 2 by minus 2 minus 2 by integrating of dy by y mean log y equal to c. Therefore, 1 by 3 log x minus 1 by 3x square y square minus 2 by 3 log y equal to c. Therefore, the required solution is 1 by 3 log x minus 1 by 3x square y square minus 2 by 3 log y equal to c equal to 3. The given differential equation is required given differential equation is 1 by 3 log x minus 1 by 3x square y square minus 2 by 3 log y equal to c. Okay, hence the problem problem solution is over. Okay, thank you.